Pancake Swap overview. How does it work? What you need to know about Pancake Swap and what's the point of this anyway? A swap of pancake batter. It's a colorful term for the same automated market makers that allow consumers to generate money streams with their bitcoins. Pleased to meet you, guests. If you've ever wondered what a pancake swap is and how it may be utilized to make extra money, this video is for you. Let's really begin. In the world of digital financial instruments, new tools for interacting with DeFi tokens and trading platforms are constantly being developed. Cake, the native coin of Pancake Swap, is one of the fastest growing DeFi projects. Market reaction to the new project and its token, as well as trading potential for the digital asset, will focus of this week's discussion. Uniswap and SushiSwap are two services that are comparable to Pancake Swap, both based on the Ethereum network. And when it comes to the Ethereum-based decentralized exchanges, what is the Pancake Swap exchange? So what exactly are we waiting for? Another overview of Pancake Swap is provided here. PancakesWap is a non-custodial trading platform for cryptocurrencies, BEP20 tokens on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. Cake, Uniswap, and SushiSwap are all part of that project. And unlike Ethereum-based exchanges, PancakeSwap allows for the speedier transfers and reduced fees. PancakeSwap network went live on September 20, 2022. Thanks to the anonymous programmers and Binance, trading digital assets on PancakeSwap does not involve the use of an order book due to the AMM method employed by the site. Rather than using a liquidity pool, smart contracts are used to make trades. In February 2021, PancakeSwap was the most popular DeFi exchange by trading volume. Using PancakeSwap, DeFi can address some of its liquidity issues, while PancakeSwap gives every possible segment option. Other DeFi projects do not. A decentralized exchange, the platform is designed to act as a marketplace for cryptocurrency markets created by network users. Decentralized liquidity is provided by these marketplaces, successful farming and commission payments to depositors. PancakeSwap is a decentralized digital system operated by Cake token holders. The entire community votes on a proposed change to the protocol's functionality or token economics. Each cake bearer is a member of the community as a result of this healthy decentralization. Using this feature, you can still benefit from the deal you wish to make while keeping your money in the pool. There's a BEP20 token for Cake, the platform's native cryptocurrency known as Syrup Pools. These liquidity pools have a name. It's built on the Binance Smart Chain, a centralized exchange. So does PancakeSwap have to report to Binance? No. Binance has no authority over the decentralized exchange because it was established by anonymous developers. You can exchange BEP20 tokens with PancakeSwap, which is BSC-based token swapping mechanism. Binance and other token exchanges can be moved to the DEX, decentralized exchange platform, but only BEP20 tokens can be used on the platform. When the BSC-based BEP20 tokens were published, the Binance development team set out to establish smart contracts and a staking mechanism for the Binance coin BNB. As a result, the BEP20 token can be used for cheaper trade and access to features that aren't available to tokens based on the Ethereum platform. PancakeSwap's origins. On September 2022, PancakeSwap will be online just a few days after BSC is introduced. The third most popular AMM platform is PancakeSwap, which is followed by Uniswap and SushiSwap. That said, the system tops BSC-based AMM systems. As a result, there is skepticism about the long-term prospects of the current market leaders who are currently defiant. Within a short period of time, Cake's price went from $1.37 to roughly 25 cents. And as a result, until January 20, 2021, the price of Cake remained very stable at roughly 50 cents. A 40-fold increase in the value occurred in February. On April 30th, it had a high of $44, making it one of the most profitable cryptocurrencies to buy in for the year 2021. And due to a combination of market factors, the price has already fallen between $15 and $20. The idea of how PancakeSwap, how it works. As soon as you sign up for Pancake Swap, start contributing funds to the pool. In exchange for a fee and cake, people invest in liquidity pools, LP tokens. The following is a list of the most common BEP20 tokens. Investors on Pancake Swap platform can utilize Pancake Swap tokens in a variety of ways. Trading. Pancake Swap serves as a decentralized exchange for BEP20 tokens. This is the most fundamental feature that it offers to customers. The outcome is that LP tokens can be exchanged for other BEP tokens of your choosing. Cryptocurrency trading has a lot in common with this. Trades on Pancake Swap can be completed in a couple of seconds because of the platform's speed and security. Farming. On Pancake Swap, yield farming is the most profitable method of making money. On the Pancake Swap platform, which has its own governance coin called Cake, previously received LP rewards can be farmed. The benefits you receive in securing your capital are what make this then an investment. There's something distinctly agricultural about the words used here. Investing in Cake pays off in the long run, but it requires a lot of patience on your part. Invested assets and the duration have an impact on the returns. Go to the Farms tab in the sidebar to begin farming. Staking. LP tokens are not for everyone who trades cryptocurrency. Staking appears to be the best choice for those who are fresh to the industry. Pancake Swap allows you to wager Cake coins in syrup pools, increasing your chances of winning. It's even better because these advantages are no longer restricted to Cake currencies. Various BEP tokens are at your disposal. Once you've determined how much to spend on your prizes, you'll need to harvest the crop. For the duration of the staking term, your investment is safe. However, this is not the case when it comes to farming for yield. Making things easy for newbies is one of the benefits of staking. Waiting for your Cake dividends is finally a thing of the past. NFTs. This is an example of non-fungible tokens. Through the use of gamification, Pancake Swap users can earn unique NFTs that they can subsequently trade or wager. And on the other side, some like to acquire NFTs simply because they enjoy it. Creating NFTs is now a lot simpler because of a new technology developed by Binance. Lottery. Playing the lottery on Pancake Swap is another way to earn money. Every day the platform runs 6-hour lottery periods with an average of 4 lotteries each day. You'll want 10 Cake coins in order to participate. If you win, you may get an NFT as a prize. It is necessary for an IFO to hold a token from a supported pool to participate in the sale of fresh tokens. We'd want to know what you think. Viewers, please tell me if this video is useful to you. What would you like to see in the future? If you could get in touch with us in the comments section, we'd appreciate it.